Welcome to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we're making smoked trout fillets. Let's do it. So I'm getting a brine together. Think about a quarter cup of honey garlic sauce. Get that in there. 2 tablespoons of salt, quarter cup of sugar, tablespoon of soy sauce, tablespoon of black pepper, 2 liters of water. Get that in there. There's our fish brine. That's all we're gonna do. Dissolve the sugar and the water and everything. Dump this on Mr. Fish. Brine, we're going to put it in the fridge for 1 hour, and then we'll get it on the smoker. Fish has been marinating for about an hour. All we're going to do is have a plate there. Take the fillets out of the marinating for about an hour. So take it out, each fillet. What you want to do is pat the fish dry. Help the fish out with a little bit of butter. Butter helps everything out. Take a brush a little bit of butter on there. Not a lot, just a little bit. Help the fish out a little. Putting the fish on. Let it go for an hour. Okay. Just took the fish off the smoker. Smoked trout fillets. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love you. This has been Dieter. Bye.